Have you ever wondered if the powerful charting tools and vibrant community of TradingView could actually put money in your pocket? It's a question many traders and financial content creators ponder. TradingView is renowned as a go-to platform for market analysis, technical indicators, and a thriving social network of traders. But beyond its incredible utility, can it serve as a direct source of income? The answer, as it turns out, is yes, in several interesting ways. First, let's understand what TradingView fundamentally is. It's not a brokerage where you directly deposit funds and trade. Instead, it's a charting platform that connects to various brokers, providing you with real-time market data, advanced analytical tools, and a space to share your trading ideas. Think of it as your high-tech mission control for the financial markets. Traders worldwide use it to analyze stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and more, leveraging its comprehensive suite of indicators, drawing tools, and customizable charts. Now, how does this translate into earning potential? The most straightforward way to get paid on TradingView is through its partner program, specifically its affiliate program. If you have an audience, perhaps a blog, a YouTube channel, like this one, a social media presence, or even a strong network of trading friends, you can become a TradingView affiliate. Here's how it works. You promote TradingView's premium subscription plans using unique referral links. When someone clicks your link, signs up for a TradingView account, and then purchases a paid subscription, like Pro, Pro Plus, or Premium, you earn a commission. The commission structure is quite attractive. TradingView offers a 30% commission on every subscription purchase your referral makes within a 90-day period after registering. Even better, you continue to earn commissions as long as your referral keeps their recurring payments active. This means a single successful referral can generate passive income for you over time. They even offer fixed amounts for initial subscriptions, ranging from $10 to $40 for monthly plans and $60 to $100 for annual non-professional plans, scaling up significantly for professional subscriptions to $150 to $350 for monthly and $600 to $1,500 for annual. Payouts are made monthly via PayPal, making it convenient for many. Beyond the affiliate program, TradingView also offers opportunities for content creators and influencers within its own ecosystem. If you're an active and insightful contributor to the TradingView community, consistently publishing high-quality trading ideas and analyses, you can gain a significant following. While direct payments for posting ideas aren't standard, a strong presence can lead to other monetization avenues. For instance, some users leverage their TradingView reputation to drive traffic to their own paid services, such as trading courses, premium signals, or mentorship programs. Your charts and analysis on TradingView act as a powerful showcase for your expertise, attracting potential clients. Furthermore, TradingView has a feature called PineScript, which is their proprietary programming language. If you're a developer or have a knack for coding, you can create custom indicators, strategies, and alerts using PineScript. Many successful PineScript developers sell their custom tools in the TradingView marketplace, providing a direct way to monetize their programming skills. If your indicator or strategy proves to be valuable to other traders, you can earn recurring income from its sales. Lastly, some traders leverage TradingView's platform for live trading and analysis streams. While TradingView itself doesn't directly pay for these streams, popular streamers can monetize their content through YouTube monetization, Patreon, or other streaming platform features, attracting viewers who are drawn in by their TradingView-powered insights. In essence, while TradingView isn't a direct get-paid-to-trade platform, it provides a robust infrastructure and various pathways for individuals to earn money. From affiliate commissions for promoting their powerful charting tools to monetizing your expertise as a content creator or even selling your own custom-coded indicators, the opportunities are there for those who are willing to engage with the platform and its community. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.